Guys, remember, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Subscribe. Trying to get to 400 subs. We're almost there. We need like 3 more subs to go, man. 3 or 2 more subs. One of them. But today, I'll be taking my mom and my dad out to eat for breakfast. It's been some time. We're in the city today. It's finally nice. We finally have good weather. Oh my God. It was just like, this weather's been like a up and down in the city. So, we're going to a good place. Let me see the name of it. Let's see. It's going to be a very impactful day today. It's called Clinton St Baking Company. It's actually very good. It's known for their pancakes. It's been some time. I've been actually trying to get a reservation here for 2 years or a year, some change. It's always packed. So, yeah, we're gonna show you guys the food, and we're gonna go to a couple places as well today. So, stay tuned. All right, so damn, I should have put the filter on today. Super bright, but yeah. So we're here, and our appointment is for 12. Our reservation. So we're about to see if we could get there a little bit early. Got seated early. Hopefully, we are good. Let's see. So we are finally here. And let me show you the menu. Taking my parents to get some breakfast. So we're gonna order some stuff. We're gonna take some time to look at the menu, and then I'm gonna show you guys, as you know, what we get. And my mom's gonna be the one rating the restaurant after we get everything. So just stay tuned. Shake. This is a shake that we got. So I got the chicken waffle. I think this is a chicken brisket. And my mom got the blueberries.
You take good thing for first one.
I take good thing for him?
Yeah. These are the things you like.
I know. And I got the chicken waffle. So we're about to... Yeah, that's excellent, huh? So we're about to try this out. Not everywhere makes chicken and waffles good, but we're about to see. We got it on the chicken sauce. Nah, this is valid. We're about to finish. We're about to eat. And we're gonna give you a review after. So we finished getting breakfast. I'm gonna give my rating a 8.5. It was really good first time having it. I would definitely go back. I want to try some other things. Mommy, what do you give it?
750.
7.5?
7.5, okay.
Why you give it a 7.5?
The reason why I give it 7.5 is because when I bought like pancake waffle with a blueberry, I like to have a real blueberry, not the, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
But other than that, besides the blueberry, everything else was good?
Yes, everything was good. The orange juice was good. The shake was good. Yes.
Daddy, what do you give it? Huh? You give it a B?
Yeah, B. It's good.
It's a 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
Oh, I'll give him 8.
Oh, okay.
My dad finished everything on the plate anyways. So, see, this is my dad. He's been a gentleman. Alright, so we're on our way to get the coffee. Taxi and drive us to... where is it just... see.
That was good because when you get in the place, you got the parking water away. That's a good one. That's a good day. Good breakfast. What is going on, doctor?
Address?
Did you remember the address?
Yeah.
The address Fortunate just told you.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're going to Cafe Rosada. I think that's how it's pronounced. I'm bad at pronunciations and spelling. Yeah, it's Elizabeth between Spring and Prince. That's what we guys going to now. Well, next. About to have the coffee. That coffee was banging. Probably like one of the best coffees I've had. Oh my God. Alright, so we're gonna be right back. So we are here to get our coffee. We're on the line. This is the coffee place. Got a little line right here. But this coffee is really good.
Okay, Fashini told me the coffee so good, he's excited because you know I love hot coffee.
It's not hot. You have to get a cold.
Why?
Because the cold one is the best. It's better. It's not even cold. It's from the machine.
Oh, okay.
So it's from that. So it's gonna be good.
Okay, all right.
Trust me. I had it the other day. I was like I had to come back for more.
Okay, I trust you.
Alright. Think.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good, that's it?
Yeah, it's good.
That's it. Okay, what number you give this?
What number you give this?
How do you mean?
From the taste of the coffee, how much?
I give him 9. I give him 9. That's
9?
good. Yeah.
He gives it a 9. So we finally got to B&H. I'm looking for an autofocus lens that could be good. So when I'm streaming, when we're doing an IRL, it will be perfect. But I think I actually found one that's going to be really good. So we're about to go upstairs and check to see what they got. The Canon's upstairs, right? So yeah, we're about to go upstairs and check to see how it looks, how everything looks with the Z-Cam. So we got the lens. I think it was 17 to 35, and autofocus. Definitely something that I needed. More content, more video, and we're definitely gonna get some IRL going pretty soon. Off to the fabric store, picking up some stuff, and enjoying this beautiful weather in the city.
It's very nice in the city today.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, good. That's it.
You're gonna get this color.
Yes. Bon. Très bien ça. Très bien. This one is a little bit shiny here. Oh, it's a stretch.
Yeah, but you're not gonna be able to see the.
Oui, je connais. So, besoin de coton à tout? Ou besoin de stretch ça?
I'd rather the stretch.
Oh, okay.
Cause this one matches with it too.
Which one?
Yeah, this much color here.
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah, but let me see this one to see. No? Oh, wow. This one's
That one a little white.
light.
Yeah, like that.
I like this one better.
Oh yeah, okay, no problem.
This one is too yellow.
Yeah, okay.
Makes
If
sense?
you like, you can
Makes
do
sense?
it. Yeah.
What you think from
Hey,
this one?
as long as it has stretch in it, it doesn't matter.
Okay, this one has no stretch.
So you don't think this is better if it has stretch in it?
You want the stretch one?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys, we are going to end the day off early.
Yep.
I hope you enjoyed your breakfast.
I do. I enjoy it.
Yes.
And I'm full. I'm still full. And especially the coffee. Oh my God.
I think the coffee was the best part for today.
Oh, the coffee is the best for today.
That's good. That's
Yes. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
I'm happy you enjoyed it. I told you it was really good.
Yes.
When I tried, I said, "Oh, I gotta bring you here because I know you love coffee, and just as much as I do."
It's very good.
All right, guys. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to get to 500 subs.
Yes.
So.
We're waiting for it.